The goal of I2P into the EMEA is to be the most practical subject, is where they are able to apply everything that they are learning about entrepreneurship and innovation all in one shot.
The main objective of this course is that they start with a challenge and they finish after 7 weeks with a final prototype, solving a real problem to a company.
And basically what we are trying to do is develop a solution with no-code tools that we are practicing during our classes and workshops.
Within this week, we're trying to understand what's the real problem that the company is facing, and we're developing the MVP, the minimal viable product, for the company to see by Friday. Then after that, we'll have a couple of weeks to go through the validation process.
So we worked with Esade since 2022. We had 3 very nice and successful projects where the students developed some prototypes for us, and we used the work of the students to validate new business ideas.
Then, during 6 weeks, they have touch points with us, so with the mentors, in which every 2 weeks they have deliverables, and it finishes with a demo day. In the demo day, we present the full solution to the company.
It allows us to put into practice everything that we've learned, all the theoretical concepts that are previously explained to us in class, and apply them to a real-world problem, a real-life challenge, and see its applicability in the real world.
I think the most common learning that they have been presenting is how they face real problems with the companies, trying to research with low data or low information.
It gave me a lot of communication skills, also to be able to think more objectively as a person, because if we're gonna advance in a career, for example, as a product management, it's very valuable skills that we learned today.
So we had very agile communication with the teams, and the students were very professional, were very adaptive to new challenges, because the challenges that we gave them are very industry specific. So they really did a deep dive in those problems and developed very good prototypes.
I really appreciate that opportunity because it was the most hands-on practical experience that I could get. So this is something I really appreciate, working with a company on something so new to me.
I think the I2P challenge, for me personally, the experience was amazing. I would give it a 10 out of 10, and also because you're exposed to so much so quickly.
I think the most important part for companies collaborating with this project is being curious and being interested in different perspectives. I think it's always been beneficial to get new input, new ideas from various backgrounds.
The whole idea is that you can have an impact on the company. So we ask companies to give us real challenges that they're facing at the moment. And indeed, 2 companies hired students already. So the whole idea again is that we can provide impact to them, and that everything that they build, they can use it immediately.